Stop doubting yourself. You are stronger than you think. Go show the world.
Thank you so much. You guys were incredible tonight. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. How did that music clip feel just now? Pretty cool, right? And I can tell you, it was made entirely relying on AI technology. Yes, everything you just saw and heard, from the visual footage to the background music, to that incredibly precise lip sync, was all the masterpiece of artificial intelligence and an ordinary laptop.
Though we gotta say goodbye for the summer.
InfiniteTalk revolutionizes digital human creation by enabling unlimited
You're under arrest.
Really? For what?
Gee, I don't know. How about selling food without a permit? Transporting uncleared commerce across...
In today's video, I'm going to give you the full breakdown of how I did it, step by step. All right, let's start by comparing two videos. You need to judge which one looks better. If you chose the left version, then your judgment is spot on. I think we all know why the video on the left looks superior. Yes, the key is the lip sync. It's this seemingly small yet critically important detail that elevates AI videos to a whole new level, giving them astonishing realism. It makes virtual characters feel alive. In videos like these, whether it's a music video or someone speaking, precise lip syncing is the core element that makes the work stand out and achieve an ultra-realistic effect. So the question is, among the complex array of tools on the market, which one should we choose to achieve this ultra-high standard of lip syncing? Honestly, there are quite a few tools out there that claim to do lip syncing, including some well-known platforms like HeyGen. But based on repeated testing and comparison, none of them can compare to this brand new tool specializing in the lip sync field, InfiniteTalk AI. Its results are simply incredible, consistently outstanding, reaching a new level of stability and naturalness.
Thank you so much.
To create a brilliant AI music video like this, the overall process is actually very simple, mainly divided into the following stages. Prepare the music. You can use AI music generation tools like Audio to compose. Generate visual assets. Use high-quality AI image generators such as the Cream 4 model on the Higgsfield platform or other tools you're familiar with to create your images. Turn images into video clips. Utilize AI video generation tools, for example, using the VEO 3.1 model to transform static images into videos with subtle motion. Implement lip sync. This is the crowning touch, the most crucial step, and we will use InfiniteTalk AI to accomplish it. Are you ready for this final step? The effect it presents will absolutely blow your mind. First, visit the official InfiniteTalk AI website and sign up using your email ID. This process is very quick. After registering or logging in, you'll see a very clean, intuitive interface, nothing complicated at all, making it extremely friendly for beginners. Now let's create our lip sync video. Click on the Generate Video option to enter the main creation interface. Here, you can first watch the official demo provided to visually grasp its powerful capabilities.
Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man.
Pretty amazing, right? It not only generated precise lip sync, but also added natural movements, perfectly matched to the music's rhythm, looking extremely realistic. Now let's get hands-on and experience this process ourselves. Demo 1, creating a talking digital human. If you want to create a talking digital human figure like mine, the process is just as simple. Upload image. Upload the picture you want to turn into a digital human. Upload audio. Upload the corresponding voice audio, e.g. generated using 11 Labs. Add prompt. You can add a simple prompt to guide the style or emotion, like professional. Select resolution. Choose the video resolution you need, for example 480p or higher. Click Generate. Its rendering speed is very fast, usually taking only a short amount of time, and the results are ready almost immediately. Isn't the result great?
Doubting yourself.
Take a close look at the characters' movements. They are very natural and fluid, and the expressions aren't exaggerated. Everything is just right, exactly the professional yet authentic effect we're aiming for.
Stop doubting yourself. You are stronger than you think. Go show the world.
Honestly, if you showed this to someone, they'd hardly realize it's AI generated. In terms of motion and realism, this tool's performance far surpasses other platforms I've used before. Demo 2. Adding lip sync to a music video, image to video. The results are simply outstanding. I'm truly amazed by its performance. You can clearly see that it's able to intelligently analyze the audio, distinguishing between vocals and instruments. the lip sync is applied only to the vocal parts, whereas most other tools mistakenly sync the instrument sounds as well, making the video look unprofessional.
Thank you so much.
But here, everything is handled flawlessly.
Thank you so much. You guys were incredible tonight. Thank you.
Let's try a different camera angle now, challenging its adaptability. This time, we'll use a side view image of the singer. Upload the side view picture, upload the same audio, click generate. See? Even with the more difficult side angle, the lip sync still works perfectly.
Thank you so much. You guys were incredible tonight. Thank you.
This tool is truly impressive. Up until now, we've been using image plus audio to generate lip sync videos. These clips themselves are already stunning, and you could absolutely use them directly to create your musical masterpiece. But if you, like me, are striving for an even more ultimate, more vivid effect, here's an advanced technique. First, turn the image into a video, and then apply the lip sync. Here's how: image to video. First, use a tool like VO or similar to transform your static image into a short video clip, perhaps including subtle head turns, eye movements, or camera drifts. Video to lip sync video. Go back to InfiniteTalk AI and this time switch to the Video to Video tab. Upload video, upload the short video clip you just generated, e.g. with Seance Pro or another tool. Upload audio, upload the same music file, select quality and generate, and here is the result.
Thank you so much. You guys were incredible tonight. Thank you.
Isn't the result even better? Even though we used a video as input, the lip sync is still flawless, and it preserves the dynamic motion of the original video. Looking at the comparison, it's clear that the video-to-video version looks more vivid and lifelike. Of course, the image-to-video version is also great, but video-to-video undoubtedly elevates the realism to a whole new level. Next, you just need to repeat this video-to-video lip sync process for every shot in your music video. Once you've applied lip sync to all your clips, import them into your favorite editing software, like CapCut, for some simple editing and arrangement.
Stop doubting yourself. You are stronger than you think. Go show the world.
Thank you so much. You guys were incredible tonight. Thank you.
And here's the final product. Great, right? And now you can do it too. The entire workflow is crystal clear. Generate images, turn images into videos, create music, add lip sync, done. It's worth mentioning that InfiniteTalk AI offers an unlimited generation option in its subscription plan, which is very attractive for users who need to create a lot of content. So what are you waiting for? It's time to try it out. Now that you've grasped the entire process of creating professional-grade lip sync videos using InfiniteTalk AI, I'm curious, what kind of content are you most excited to create with this tool? Energetic music videos, professional digital human narrations, or other more creative ideas? Feel free to share your plans in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to support us in bringing you more in-depth analysis of AI tools. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.